they show you to, like, you want to buy and set your stop loss and set, let me to, okay, I want to buy now. I place this buy. You see it now, I buy now. So I'm running like minus now, I'm losing like, if you want to set your stop loss and take profit, so you need to place modify. Then you hold it, then tap this modify position. You take it to here, stop loss and take profit. Let me set my take profit and stop loss now. Now I want to take my stop loss like here. I want to take my stop loss here now. I want to put my stop loss here. 59,867.30. Now I have put my stop loss now. Then let me say, okay, I want to take my profits. I want to take my profits here. As my profit will be 6794.38. That might take profit. All you need to go back to that place. I will show you now. Do you see it? Now, okay, let me tell that, oh, this stop loss, I don't like this stop. Let me put it down. Then you will put your stop loss again. Now you want to adjust your stop loss, or you want to adjust to take profit. Then I want to put my stop loss now 59,812.57. Now that's how to set it. Then if you want to place your limit, if you want to place your buy limit and sell limit, okay, let me show you guys. I want to buy from, let me show you guys. Okay, I want to buy from here now. So your buy limit is gonna be, you press this like this clock, then show you buy limit, then put it here and press it. Put the number that you want to. If you say a secret that the buy limit as price, like here you copy it, copy the price. Let me show, okay. So let me show that I want to buy from here now. Then copy the price, then come here and paste the price, then put your stop loss, take profit and press